Welcome to Permanent Magnets Limited. Today I am introducing magnetic trays used for holding fasteners, screws and etc. This tray have a strong magnet at the bottom with 1000 to 1200 Gauss field strength. Tray magnet is covered with a PVC to prevent damage to the magnet. This tray either made up of stainless steel or plastic, which comes in various shapes size like round, square and rectangular. These SS trays or plastic trays resist corrosion. I will show you how these trays are holding various type of tools and fasteners like spanner, Allen key, fasteners, screwdrivers, etc. The trays are very convenient tool because the magnet at the bottom side is used to latch on any magnetic surface. Because of this, the workman using this tray on their assembly.